A lot of what motivated me to study science and to continue my education was how fascinating I found finding patterns in nature and learning more about life and how all of these different forms develop. So evolution became really important to me, and even as I started teaching biology and other branches of biology that I learned about but didn't really care because I'm not that interested in cells and all the really tiny stuff, but to see how evolution's patterns were still found itself in every single facet from small to large, quickly and over evolutionary or over long periods of time. Like I don't know, it's just something I'm really passionate about. Thankfully, in my experience, most of the challenges come from students, and they're students with pretty much the same resistance that I had to learning about evolution when I was first growing up. It's, they see it as an attack on their religion, that I'm out to prove that there's no God, or their what the Bible says or whatever their religious text says isn't true, and that I just want to undermine everything. And it's good to have those conversations with students who would want to shut down, to recognize, like, no, this has nothing to do with your faith, your religion. I studied science for however long, and there's no way for me to prove that there's a God. There's no way to prove that or disprove that there's no a God. And so your spiritual experience is your own, and you have all of what you need for your belief. But we both have the same ability to test, to ask questions, and to think critically, and that's all evolution really does and can speak on. This is a pattern that we have observed again and again in all these different forms, and that's what I want to teach you. My name's Milan Neely. I'm from Washington, D.C., but I currently live and teach in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.